everyone, thanks for stopping by the Sister Cousins Lifestyle channel. My name is Sandy, and in today's video we are kicking off our Christmas season, decorating season officially. So I shared about a week ago when I just happened to be in Walmart, and so I had to film to show you guys what was in Walmart because Walmart is coming with it this year. So if you've not seen that video, be sure once you leave here today that you stop by and check that out. But anyway, in today's video, we are going to first start off with kind of doing an unboxing of my existing Christmas decorations that I've had for years to see what I have, kind of reacquaint myself with them, and also look at all the nice things that I bought at the end of the Christmas season last year that I just kind of stuffed into my closet. So anyway, as you can see, I have a lot of decorations in here, and there's a lot of stuff that's kind of in here now that is just kind of all over the place. And those are the things that I purchased at the end of the season. And so, you know, once I've packed away all of Christmas and these sales get to going where things are 75, 80, 90% off, what have you, I'm out there because that's when I really do the majority of my decoration purchasing is at the end of the season. So I buy the items, I put them in, I don't use them, and then to the next year. And a lot of times I've forgotten what's in here. So I'm looking through here now and I'm seeing some things that I have totally forgotten about. And that's a good thing because now I see that I have a lot more than I thought I had. So when I go out to the stores, I know what I do not need, whatever. So yeah, so anyway, that's kind of where we are. So now let's go ahead and talk about the items that I have purchased from last year, and I have also at this point picked up a few things for this year. But I'm being very intentional, as I have been saying on my videos. I am being very, very intentional about what I purchased because I really don't have a need for anything now. So this is just about, yeah.
Now, my storage system for my ornaments are these rubber tote containers. I have them stored by color. These are my browns, my coppers, my taupes, all of those colors there. This garland here is a piece that I bought at the end of the season. I definitely will be pulling that out for this year. Here I have my turquoise ornaments. I have my musical instrument ornaments, my silver ornaments. I probably will be pulling from each of these totes. Not exactly sure which ones. I know I will be definitely decorating with green this year in one of my spaces. So definitely will be pulling from this bin here. So I'm just kind of going through to see what I have, remembering what I already have, and kind of making a mental note of what I will be using for this year. Last year, I probably used about 95% of what's in my Christmas storage closet here. Surprisingly, I usually do about 4 or 5 trees every year, but you'd be surprised at how many ornaments you need to fill up a tree of like 7-8 foot trees or whatever. But anyway, that's what I did last year. We'll see what happens this year. But I have a lot. I've got a lot of different colors here to choose from. I can mix different colors that I've never mixed before for a different look. I just have to decide what it's going to be. In this green bin here, I have my nostalgic ornaments. So those are my ornaments that date back almost 40 years. So definitely we'll be pulling those out because I will be doing one tree in the nostalgic color or just that nostalgic style. These are my burgundy ornaments. Definitely will probably be using those as well. I love my music themed tree. I also love bells. So I have an assortment of bells to use.
It makes no sense. I already know, but I love decorating for Christmas. And if you love decorating Christmas like I do, you have to have lots of ornaments. All right, so let's go ahead with what I found that I had already purchased that I'm going to be using this year. All right, so the first thing, and I had bought 3 boxes of these. And these are the jewel toned ornaments. Now, I was saying recently that I couldn't find jewel tone ornaments. Little did I know when I went into my closet, I had found some at the end of the season last year and had stocked up. So I'm good on those. How about that? Well, I love that. I also had picked up a couple of these jewels Now I got these this year since the sale has started at Hobby Lobby for 50% off. But you can't have a jewel tone tree without having some jewels. So I did pick up a couple of those, and I picked up a couple of these little picks here. These were real inexpensive. I think they might have been, yeah, they were 99 cents. And then, you know, Christmas is 50% off at Hobby Lobby. So 50 cents each, and I picked up a couple of those. I also picked up this at the end of the season last year. These are 300 multi-mini lights. Last year was the first year that I've done like a tree with multicolored lights in years, and I loved it. So I definitely will be coming back with another one this year. And you know, with bulbs, you can always with lights, you can always use them again because they burn out. Just things happen. So I did get those. I also picked these up. Now these I actually got at Walmart when I went. These are the onion shaped ornaments. They are in the flocked green. They are beautiful. They're glass. They're by My Texas House. They were $10.66 for 4 of them, and I did pick up 2 packs of those. I also had from last year this deer here that I got from Walmart. Yeah, it was from Walmart. I don't remember like at what point I picked it up. It was $24.97. I know I got it after the season, so whatever, I got it for maybe 50% off. Not really sure, but he's super cute. Super, super cute there. And he has a little tag on him that says Noel. So I got him. You know, I have a thing for deer, so I just have an abundance of those things around. One thing that I am going to be looking for this year are more of the acrylic nutcrackers. I did pick this one up at the end of the season. I don't remember where I got him from, but these have been hard to come by. CB2 has a version of them that are a lot more expensive, but this year I heard Walmart has them. Home Goods had them for sure. If you can get them, they sell out pretty quickly. But I am looking for a larger one of the acrylic soldiers. Another item that I purchased was a candle. This is from Big Lots, and I did get this year. This is kind of like a mercury glass candle, and I liked it because it was kind of like this amber or copper colored, so it's really pretty. It smells really good. It's Santa's cookie scent is what it is. It's a 3-wick, kind of small. It was only $5.99 at Big Lots. I was recently in Mississippi visiting a friend, and we went to some antique shops, and I found this cutting board. I love my little cutting boards, and it's got the little buck on here. So I really thought that this was really nice. So I picked that up because I like layering my cutting boards in my kitchen for the seasons or whatever. And so I just thought he would just be a really, really cute addition. And I have a lot of items. I've got some wine glasses with the deer head or
Girl, it's a stag head. I don't know why these names escape me.
buck head, doe head, whatever you want to call them. But I have a lot of deer. I just like my deer. So that's always a theme, one of the things that I have going on in my house every year. Another item that I actually did pick up this year, and this was from Joann's. I love Joann's. You can never go wrong with Joann's.com. I find that's the best place because they run a lot of online only sales, and then they'll have like an additional coupon that you can use on your items, so you can get items, some really good deals on things. So this would have been $39.99. It was oh, I wish I remember what the sale was on it. I want to say maybe it was $15.99 on sale, and then you got the additional off. So I think I probably paid, I don't know, $12, $13 for this, and it would have been $40. So I was pleased with this. It wasn't online only, but what I really, really liked about it is it's got these copper colors, which I'm definitely using. So what I did this year is the color that I brought in for my fall, which in my living room were your browns, your bronzes, coppers, that type of thing. I'm going right in for Christmas with those same color themes. I'm doing the same thing in my bedroom. I brought in the hunter green for fall. I'm going to be going right into Christmas using those same colors. So I found this, and I think I'm going to use this on my pantry door. I don't think I'm going to put it outside on my door. I think I'm going to use this on my pantry door because it blends in beautifully with the colors. I also could, you know, put it on a table. I actually could have purchased two and kind of put them together. I do that often with tablescapes and things like this. This would be beautiful as a centerpiece down the center of a table or whatever. But this is really pretty, and I just love the colors on there. Very, very nice. And it's got the, you know, the broom, grapevine type of backing to it. Another item that I picked up last year, this was from last year, that I picked up at Walmart when they ran their sale, and that's this Spinio bulb. It's a lawn stake is what it's for outside. So I don't know if I'll use it that way or if I'll use it in the house. I may even turn this into an indoor ornament. I don't know, but I thought it was pretty. It will work out perfectly for my traditional or my nostalgic tree. The colors are your traditional winter Christmas colors. Your green, your red, you know, and then it's got a little gold in there and a little bit of sparkle. Very pretty. And the red is kind of like a mercury glass look to it. But very, very nice. But it says it's actually a lawn stake. I guess I had it upside down, but it doesn't matter. I thought it was pretty. The next thing that I purchased from Amazon. And I got this during Prime Day. So this is a night light, but it's by Luminera. And I have been waiting for this to go on sale because Luminera candles are very expensive. But I really like the way that it gives this lifelike flame. You might be able to see that the flame is kind of shaking. So when this is on, the flame is flickering and everything. So I love that as a little night light. So I got this off of Amazon for Prime Day. This item here, I was recently at Wayfair Outlet. I'll have a video on that to show you guys if it's not already out. But yeah, I was at Wayfair Outlet. This is the, I'm going to call it the viral garland that's been coming out for a couple years. Floral has a version of it. Kirkland's, I mean, everybody has these just kind of go viral for the last couple years. They have, but it's a beautiful, beautiful garland. It kind of drapes over whatever you want to put it on a table, a shelf, a mantle, whatever. And they're really, really nice if you kind of double them. So even though I already had you know, some of these already, I love to double them to get that really, really full look. And this was $20. So $20.25 at the Wayfair Outlet, which I thought was a great price because these run upwards of $60, $70 for one. So great deal on that. And I'm glad to have another one of these to use for my decorating. Now, I recently went to the largest antique store in the South. It was located in Concord, North Carolina. The name is escaping me, but I will run the name on the screen. I'm going to do a video of that as well if it's not already out. But anyway, I went in there and I was specifically looking for Christmas decorations because that's the season that I'm in right now. So I did find this little onion shaped ornament here, and it's got the little glitter on it, but I love the coloring of this. I hated that they only had one. It was $2, but I did pick that up. I love mixing my ornaments with nice little antique pieces or just pieces that I find to just kind of add to it. I wish, like I said, that they had more, but they did not. So that's what it is. I also picked up these, and you're probably saying, what in the world? And I'm probably asking myself the same thing, but I just had a vision for these when I saw them, and I picked up several bundles of them. They're like, I'm calling them sugar plums. I don't know what they're really supposed to be, but I'm going to use them as vase filler, and I love them. So I picked up 3 bunches of these and I will be styling these. You know, I am big on vase filler for the holiday seasons, and so I'm always looking for different things that you can, you know, just put a regular bowl and just kind of put something in it and, you know, just kind of make it a part of your decor. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing with that. I'm looking around to make sure that I have covered everything. The one last thing that I want to talk about are some things that I've already had, but these are things that I definitely try to add to my collection every year, because I like to group them together to create a look in a vase. In addition to vase filler, I like to also use, you know, regular vessels and whatnot and put stems in them. I love stems all around my home, and so you can never have too many of these. But for the Christmas season in particular, let me show you what it is that I have.
Now, while I'm doing that, it's a great time for you to go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already done that, and also hit that subscribe button so we can stay connected. Now, let's get on with the video.
These are so pretty. I love these. I like to put them all around my home. I love that droopy look of them. I have different types of them. I have these that have a little bit of frost on them. Really, really pretty. I've got a couple of those, and you can just put them down in a vase and kind of shape them up or whatever. These are so pretty. I love this type of thing. So I love adding pops of greenery, and this is the perfect way to do it. So I've got this type that are, you know, really kind of long and wild, but they're very moldable and look very, very nice in a vase. And then I have this type that kind of droop. So you put them together in a vase and they kind of, you know, droop down or whatever. So love those. Yeah, that's all that I have. So if I find those around, I definitely will want to pick up more of those, because you can never have enough of those. Well, thanks for stopping by and doing this unboxing with me and kind of going through our Christmas decorating, planning for 2024. I am super excited because now I can go ahead and kick off the official decorating season. I have more than enough to get it started and probably to get it finished too. But anyway, if you'd like to see how all of my Christmas decorating comes together, I will be decorating 4 trees here in my home this year, and 1 tree at my mom's. So a total of 5 trees this year. So definitely go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the post notification bell so that you can be notified when I upload additional videos. To all my returning family members, thank you so much for your support. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I hope to see you over here on my next one. Bye-bye.